Hey guys, Zach with Zach Shar Guitar coming at you with Christmas just around the corner. And out of respect for this wonderful holiday, I want to teach you a song that's very near and dear to my heart. Jingle Bells. So this song is something special to me because not only is it a Christmas song, but it happens to be the first song I ever learned on the guitar. That being said, it is very beginner friendly. So if you start now, you may get the hang of it by the time Christmas rolls around the corner this year. How cool would it be to show your friends and family this song on Christmas Day? So out of respect for this wonderful season, I have two Christmas gifts I would like to give you. The first is my guitar gains cheat sheet. If you ever feel discouraged with the guitar, you're worried you're not getting as far as you'd like to be, or you find yourself practicing in waves and not being consistent, then this cheat sheet gives you the best hacks on how to make consistent progress. The other gift I would like to give you is an opportunity to take a free quiz. So if you're wondering what type of guitar you should put on your Christmas list, save yourself some time and take the free quiz I've linked in the description. And that first gift, that cheat sheet that I mentioned before, there'll be a link for that in the description as well. So let's get started and learn some Jingle Bells. We all are familiar with this song, at least I hope so we kind of know how it goes. We have an idea of what the rhythm will be. But just to tell you right off the bat that this song only takes place on two strings, okay? That will be the high E string, which is the thinnest string on your guitar, and then the B string, which is directly above that. It's the next thinnest string. So the first thing we're gonna do is play the open E string. We're gonna play it in a rhythm like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you're gonna play the open E string for one more note, and then you're gonna play the third fret of that same string by using your ring finger. So far we have this. From there, we're gonna jump up to the B string and play the first fret with our index finger, followed by the third fret of that same string, and now we're going to hit that open E string below it. So this newest sequence goes like this. From the beginning, and when you land on that last part of what I just showed you, that open E string, you're going to let that ring out for 4 beats. So it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, you're going to place your index finger on the first fret of the E string, and you're going to play that in a rhythm that sounds like this. Then you're going to lift up on that index finger and play the open E string for 3 notes. So here's that whole part I just showed you. So we're going to go back to the beginning to lock in everything else I just showed you. So next you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place it on the third fret of the B string, and you're going to play that note twice. Go back to the open E string, and then back to that third fret of the B string one more time. Finish it off by playing the third fret of the E string. So here's that whole end part. And what works for me to play those last two notes more smoothly is I keep my ring finger on the B string, the third fret of the B string, and then I just let it drop down. It almost rolls down to the E string. That finger is covering both strings anyway, so why not make it more efficient and just let it drop? You don't have to pick it up just to place it on the same fret one string below. You could just let it glide. So from the beginning, here's Jingle Bells slowly. So now you know how to play a classic Christmas song that everybody knows and loves. If you start practicing now and stay consistent with it, you may just be able to play it in time to show your friends and family on Christmas Day. Are you up for the challenge? And my first gift to you will help a lot with making sure that can happen. So if you download that free guitar gains cheat sheet that I've linked in the description, it'll help you a lot with reaching this goal and any other goal. And if you're wondering what kind of guitar you want to ask Santa to get you this year for Christmas, don't forget to take that free guitar type quiz. It'll save you some time figuring out, oh, which guitar is best for me. Just go ahead and take the quiz and you'll have your answer based on your unique preferences. Feel free to comment below and let me know if you have any questions about this. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Zach with Zach Shar Guitar. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy, healthy New Year. I hope to see you in the next one.